never, ever again question my competence in front of junior staff.
Sir, that was not the idea. I just believe when these situations arise, we need to attack them before them expose us.
"40 years ago, the first sleeper program was activated. There was a young, exuberant, ambitious David Mullins, and some idiot put him in charge. I deployed my first set of sleepers, and they did well. And then I deployed 5 more. And against all odds, they did even better. By this time, I wasn't prepared to take any orders or instructions from my superiors. I was young and arrogant and only understood how to get things done through harsh, violent methods. Remind you anybody? On my next mission, I lost 5 of my sleepers, including your father. I didn't follow protocol. I wasn't patient. Matter of fact, you could say I was exactly like Raymond Savage. You see why I try so hard with him? I can't save 1 and lose 100. That's why I try so hard with him. No, I'm overprotective of all of you because this thing has weighed heavily on me over the years. And I really don't intend to lose any more sleepers. And that's why I'm so patient in the process. What my wife is involved in may be deeper than any of you know. I can't afford for any one of you to act out of emotion. Because you can make one wrong step and do more damage than good. I know the whole of this seems very tedious. The most I can ask for is that you both exercise a little more patience. Oh, there's another word in there. It's called trust.
What you're saying, Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you have to trust me too. You can't hold back information from me, especially me and Savage. We're at a stage now where we can deal with it.
Let me explain something to you. I have absolute confidence in. You mess up here or there, but it's not a big load of shit to clean up. Savage, I am not too sure about. To deal with the amount of crap that Savage can leave behind him as he tracks across this nation, I would need to have shares in a toilet paper factory.
You know, you sound like him. That's why I have so much problems. On too much alike. You have to let go and give him a chance. Him feel like you're involved in trying to hurt him.
If him really think that him not only stupid, him stupid. There is nothing wrong with Savage that a 9mm wrench won't cure.
See what I'm talking about?